Along with taxation and other examples of the abandonment of salutary neglect, we also had something called the Proclamation of 1763. Obviously, after the French and Indian War, the British had gained a lot of new territory west of the Appalachian Mountains that used to belong to the French. That came through the Treaty of Paris. But the British and the colonists viewed how that land was going to be used a little bit differently. The colonists saw that as new land that they could expand to, have more resources, have more freedom, etc. There were a few problems with that, though, from the British point of view. First of all, there were still some lingering Frenchmen who were settled out west of the Appalachian Mountains where the French territory used to be. The British were pretty afraid that if the British colonists kept showing up over there, those lingering Frenchmen would be upset and there would be another extended conflict between the British and the French. The British certainly don't want that because they already have plenty of debt from the French and Indian War. Additionally, the Native Americans are already having land taken away from them by the Europeans pretty constantly and have started to express, more and more unhappiness with that. So, in order to try to avoid more conflict with the French, with the Native Americans, the British issue the Proclamation of 1763 and draw a line along the Appalachian Mountains saying that the colonists can't go west of that. To the colonists, this just seems like another action by a greedy mother country who wants to control them. They think that this would just be a way of the British containing them in one place so that they're easier to control.